Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make Borek. Delicious. We bring a pan, pour 1/4 cup of olive oil, add 1.5 cup of green onion chopped, 1 jalapeno chopped also. This is up to your taste. Add 6 cloves of garlic also chopped. Saute all together. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It gives a very good taste with the potato, the olive oil. Bring 8 small potatoes, cooked and mashed. Add it to the pot. Just keep mixing it, and if you wanna mash it again, go for it. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil because the potatoes absorb the oil, so it has to be smooth. Mix it very well. I forgot to tell you to turn the heat to medium high in the beginning. So now we bring 1/4 cup dried onion, add it, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon of salt. It's up to your taste. Put 1 teaspoon, and then after that you taste your food, and if it needs salt, add salt. Just keep mixing it until the potatoes get mixed with the spice. Add 1 cup of cilantro. Add 1/2 cup of feta cheese. Mix it all together until the cheese melts a little. Just keep mixing and set it aside. I use 1 package spring rolls. Just separate the sheets apart. Put 1 sheet on a clean cloth or on a cutting board and fill up with the potatoes. Put some Philadelphia cheese, cream cheese, whatever amount you want, and just roll it the way I'm doing it right now. See how? It's very simple. Close it good, and just roll it so it doesn't spill in the pan. See what I'm doing it? That's how it is. Very simple. And keep going. Repeat the process. Put the amount that you want. I like to fill them up. So just add the cream cheese. See how I'm rolling them up? Now bring a pan, fill it up with vegetable oil, let it get hot. Turn the stove to high heat, and then when it gets hot, bring it to medium high. and just keep cooking them. Make sure don't burn them, because everything is cooked inside, just to cook the pastry, that's all. And just keep flipping one by one when it get cooks. Just look at this. Look at this, it's beautiful and delicious. Let me cut one for you guys to see it. Try it, you won't be sorry. It's very hot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Thank you.